guys, how's it going? Welcome again. This is video number 5. We're doing things a little bit different this time. So I've been getting lots of requests. I'll sometimes post, whether it be on my Instagram or my fitness page, these amazing green drinks that I drink, and I swear by them. When I drink them in the morning, I'll drink 1 or 2 a day, depending on how much I'm training or what, how much nutrition I need at the time. I feel amazing. I have more energy. I'm fuller. I don't eat as bad, right? Because I'm full of the nutrients that I need. So let me just tell you about this recipe and how you can kind of add whatever you want to it on top of what I put in it. And so first, starting with these mason jars. These mason jars are amazing. You can get these from Target. Probably a craft store has them. And they come with these lids like this. The coolest part about the mason jars is they're airtight. So once you're finished making your green drink, you can seal it up, right? And when you put it in the fridge nice and tight, whether you're taking it in the morning, you're drinking it in the morning, or you're taking it to lunch, shake it up, mix it up, because it's really fibrous, and you can shoot it down. So let's go ahead and make these, but let me just tell you what's in them. Okay, so right here, first we're starting with spinach. I get my spinach from Costco. It's pre-washed, it's easy, it's organic. Wherever you get yours is great, but nice green spinach. And this, you're going to get niacin, you're going to get vitamin C, B2, you're going to get B6. Amazing nutrition in this, vitamin E, much more. But so starting with that, next we're going to go to lemon. So obviously there's fiber in lemon, there's vitamin C, it's an antioxidant, and it's also going to preserve your drinks for longer. They're going to taste better, and I also like that lemony, zesty taste to it. So lemon. The next thing you're going to do is ginger. Ginger is one of the most amazing natural things we have out here. It inhibits cancer growth. It has fiber in it. I mean, if you're pregnant, morning sickness, this is amazing and does amazing things to you. So ginger and much more, even menstrual pain, your joints, it helps with your joints. So ginger, you're going to need a piece of that. The next thing we're going to do is celery. So celery, I get my celery at Costco too, nice and green. Cut the ends off, wash it off. And celery, you're going to get vitamin C, B6, B2. It detoxifies the body. It's low in calories, no sugar. So there you go, vitamin C. You can add this or you don't have to. I do because it's a little strong. Bok choy. So bok choy, it looks like these leaves, right? And you can get protein, fiber, niacin, awesome, amazing stuff from this. This thing is your kale. So your kale is amazing fiber, so many vitamins in here. So you have all these ingredients, and then the last thing you're going to need is almond milk, and make sure it says unsweetened. And then also, to be super, super safe, go to the ingredients and look at the sugar, which are your carbohydrates. Make sure it's unsweetened almond milk. And I get this from Costco, organic. So there you go. I get everything from Costco except for my kale and my ginger. So you can get these. It just comes in bulk. So I buy it from the grocery store. And I think the last one we were going to do is the cucumber. So vitamin K, vitamin C. It actually potassium. And I like cucumbers in this because it gives it a little more watery, fresh taste. So there you go, cucumbers. All right, so now we have everything that we need for this drink, right? If you want to add blueberries, that's fine. I choose not to. I just do a sugarless drink, and it's nice and cold, so it goes down nicely. Super fiber-ish, but that's good for your body. So these are all the things you need, and wash it really well, especially your spinach, especially your greens. Triple wash it. Sometimes it already comes washed. I wash it again, and you can lay it out just like this to get prepared for the week. So, okay, what I have to mix my smoothies up is my Vita-Mix. And it's an amazing machine. I got mine from Costco. And the reason why I always swear by this thing is because the biggest thing about drinking smoothies with all these amazing greens in them is that if you don't have something that's going to blend it up really nicely, where you can't taste it, then it might be hard to get down because it's not going to grind it up enough. So the Vita-Mix, you can almost stick like the stems and stuff with it and it will mix it up, which is just more fiber. So this is that. We're going to start with the almond milk, and what I do when I make each batch is I go ahead and fill up the Vita-Mix. Hopefully you can see this here. It's not a full milk container, but it's pretty close to it. So it's actually, you can use the whole thing. It's fine. So that's for one batch of what we're gonna do.
It's a gigs. I got one more problem with you, girl. Hey. Hey, baby, even though I hate you, I wanna love you. I want you. And even though I can't give you, I really want to. I want you. Tell me, baby, why did you leave me? 'Cause even though I should've wanted, I gotta have it.
So you got, right now with this batch, we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's up to you. I make 10 for 5 days, and depending on, you know, what I'm doing, I'll have 2 a day. But if you can want to start with the 5, that's great. You put them in your refrigerator, line them up in the morning, shake, and drink. I understand it's so hard, like every day doing this could be timely, and I have kids, so whether you have kids or family, friends, pets, your responsibilities, I understand time is, it's valuable, but making time for yourself, investing in yourself, that's where it begins. So start with these green drinks and treat yourself good. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Aloha.